Welcome to our channel, We Simplify Coding. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up the Windows path for Python. By doing this, you'll be able to run Python commands and scripts from any directory in the command prompt with ease. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, refer to our previous video on how to install Python. Step 2. Once Python is installed, open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Step 3. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables to open the System Properties window. Step 4. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Step 5. In the System Variables section, scroll down and find the path variable. Select it and click on Edit. Step 6. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click on New to add a new path. Step 7. Now, you need to locate the Python installation directory. By default, it's usually located in C:\python . However, if you installed Python in a different location, navigate to that directory. Step 8. Copy the path of the Python installation directory. Step 9. Go back to the Edit Environment Variable window, and paste the path into the field. Step 10. Click OK to save the changes. Step 11. Close all windows and open the command prompt to test if the Windows path for Python is set up correctly. Step 12. Type Python and hit Enter. If you see the Python version and command prompt, congratulations! You've successfully set up the Windows path for Python. That's it. Now you can run Python commands and scripts from any directory in the command prompt without needing to specify the full path to the Python executable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials and tips. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next video.